So I colored my hair pink. First I used a very pretty combo of Lime Crime Unicorn hair dyes, and it was beautiful, especially once it faded a bit. Then I colored it again, and again it faded. I was going on holiday soon and I knew I wanted my roots touched up, so I decided to strip the rest of the pink out of my hair. I have decided to try baking soda, dish soap and developer method. I used 20 volume developer in this mixture, mixed it really well and applied it to my hair. First with a brush and then I ditched it because it was useless and I just applied it with my hands. Put on a shower cap, cleaned the messy sink and the floor, and I left it on for about 20 minutes and here is the result so far. It actually worked really well, stripping all the remaining pink from my hair. I was left with blonde, but it was kind of yellow, so I toned it with Matrix alkaline toners, half of 10V and half of 10P or thereabouts. Then I applied Redken All Soft Heavy Cream on my hair to make it all soft. Which it did. I absolutely loved the result. My hair was a lovely platinum color again. But, and this is for anyone who is thinking of trying this, I still don't recommend this method. Watch till the end because, well, you'll see how wrong it can actually go. Also, my roots were virgin and either the baking soda mixture or the Matrix lightened them, and they had a gingery tint to them. In sunlight, that is, you couldn't really tell otherwise. And so I did a root shadow with Wella Color Touch. I think I mixed like 5A and 7N or something like that. Then I had my roots done on holiday and off I went pink again. And again! After I came back from holiday, the Lime Crime colors faded nicely and I decided to try bright pastel pink.
It's a nice color.
Which eventually faded, but not a lot.
First wash.
After about 10 or more washes, it was still pretty pink. At that point, I wanted to get my roots done again and I just kind of wanted to stay blonde. And so I grabbed some baking soda, dish soap and half of 10 volume and 20 volume developer. Applied it on my hair, left it for about 45 minutes and, well, it got rid of most of the pink, but not quite. And I should have stopped there. I should have just toned my hair and leave it. But no, I did not do that. Instead, right after the first application, I mixed it again. This time I only used 20 volume developer and left it on for about an hour. What could possibly go wrong, right? Everything went wrong. Silly me, I freaking fried it. So many strands were gummy and fragile and my virgin roots were orange and spotty because I didn't apply it everywhere. It was a disaster. So what do I do now? If my roots didn't look like cheetah print, then I would have just left it, but it did. And so I found my Wella Color Touch colors with 6 volume developer. I didn't have that many colors left and I just improvised. Mixed them somehow to cover the roots, but I didn't want to go too dark. And if my hair wasn't this compromised, I would have just done root shadow, but hey, the reality was different. And so I smudged the color all over my hair. No sectioning, I couldn't comb my hair at that point anyway. It worked pretty nicely, you know, and once it faded, the color was really pretty actually. Light enough for another fun color, which I'm gonna share in another video, as well as this. But you will need to subscribe and hit the notification bell to see that. Can't spoil the surprise, can I? Bye!